Hey guys, it's Chris here with JTech, and I'm doing a volt drop test on this 2002 Mustang. At first you want to come over here to the fuse box and take out a fuse, probably like the fuel pump or something with the ignition, so the car doesn't start, but it'll try to turn over. And we took out the fuel pump fuse right here, so the car won't stop. All right, after we get the fuse out, I want to have someone try to start the car, and I'm going to take one to the negative right here, and then to test the positive, I'm going to put the other one onto the positive of the alternator. All right, go ahead, turn it over. All right, we didn't get more than 88 millivolts, which is what you shouldn't get any higher than 500 millivolts. So 88 was about good, 80 to 86. All right, now we're going to test the negative. So I'm going to put one here on the negative terminal, and then we'll put this on the ground of the alternator. Go ahead, start it. All right, you see it didn't break 300, and you still want that under 500, but 300 is good for the negative. And that's how you do a voltage drop on a 2002 Mustang. All right guys, now we're gonna do a conductance test on the battery. And you're gonna get your Napa or whatever battery tester you have with the negative, positive to positive. And really just follow the directions. Gonna go to perform test, enter. It's in the vehicle. It's a top post. It's asking about the terminals. It's an automotive. It's a regular flooded, because you can see the openings right here to put the acid in. And it's a cold cranking amp battery. And you want to look on here, right here, it says 590 cold cranking amps. It'll be different for the battery that you have. So we're going to set it to 590, press enter. And good battery. And that's how you do a conductance test on a battery. Right now we're going to take this, and we're going to want to match the positive on the positive wire facing the positive battery, like that, like so. And we want to get our cold cranking amps. Looks like it's 590. Come over here and make sure this is balanced at 0. So turn that over. And half of 590 is 295. So we're trying to get 295 here, and we want this not to go below 9.5. And we're going to start putting our load onto the battery. All right. Right about there is good, and we got 10.4, 10.5 volts on load. And that's how you do a load test on a battery.